Mom.
Dude, I bet the Holocaust was started because friggin'...
You have to say that as I started filming. Hey Mom, welcome to your YouTube tutorial. It's me. Let's begin, okay? We're gonna start, I'm gonna zoom in. We're gonna start with,
Hi, Mom.
we're gonna start, say hi louder.
Hi.
We're gonna start with eyes, okay? So Mom, take out your Huda Beauty palette. Huda Beauty, it was probably like $34, okay? And look, this is the palette we're using. We're gonna start with this color called Man Eater because that's what you do. You eat disrespectful men, okay?
We gotta respect women.
You take it with, this isn't the good brush to use, but I'm gonna.
A message to all my kings. Respect women.
Respect. And you put it right in at that crease, okay? Okay, and you blend until it doesn't look awful. Okay, this is the worst brush to use, but since I'm a skilled protege, I can use it. And you have to use a clean brush, which I didn't, okay? I don't want you to get conjunctivitis, Mom, I love you. Now you take a tapered blending brush, okay? And you just get it on in, oh no. It's okay, if you make a mistake, I have a way to fix it for you. Okay? So you just blend up. And then to cover up your drastic mistakes, take the same brush, because you don't even care, right? You don't care. You take the same brush, you dip it in the shade Bay, it's a nude, okay? I'm realizing that I'm probably just enhancing my mistake. Oh, well, it is what it is. Put it in the shade Angelic, my favorite. I'm running out of it. That's a wink, I don't have anything in my eye. Okay.
Smack it on the lid.
Smack it on the lid.
Absolutely.
And you want it to be as opaque as possible, Mom, okay?
The opacity is just...
High level of opacity. Opaquity. Equity, high equity loan investments. It's not very drastic, Mom, okay? But work with me. You might want to take some more Man Eater if you're feeling hungry today. Dip a little moon dust on it and just put it in that center corner. You know? Cuz then that opens your, don't put as much as I did. Please. Take your brow pencil, which I don't think you have most of this stuff. And just kind of fill in, don't, it's like a coloring book, but on your face, you know? Don't really mess with the brows, Mom, you know? Let them be. Am I zoomed in too much? Yeah. And now the brows are essentially done. You did nothing, but they're done, okay? Slather it over your acne, under your eyes, okay? You want it to be a big triangle for those big bags that I have.
Savage.
Wow. I should have put my hair up. I'm gonna do that right now.
That's fine.
I'm gonna put it in a low pony right behind my head so I look bald.
Savage.
Okay, I'm not putting my hair up, Mom, but... So, we're gonna take some translucent powder, but I have the cheap kind, because I'm poor. So, it's gonna... You know what? Basically what it means is... And really just lay it on there, Mom. I hope you can see all the excess just flying off around my face, proving to everyone that I am fake, and just swipe it all over. Like just, yeah, tickle your neck if you have to. Like, that's what you want to do, Mom. Here's your favorite part, Mom. Bronzer, okay? You can essentially just change your skin tone. It's like we went on a tanning vacation. So you take...
You look somewhat...
So yeah, that's awful. So we're gonna leave it at that. Maybe you curl the lashes before you do it. I don't know, Mom. I don't know what your routine is. You've been a woman for many years. I'm sure you have one. Take out the highlight. You would put something on your lips, but since I have tiny Caucasian lips, I'm not gonna put that on. So yeah, that's kind of it. Then, the best part, like bathing your face in liquid, setting spray.
Setting spray.
Ready?
What?
My face is moist. So yeah, that's my tutorial. Bye.